What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add blur effect in video in a Canva. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, open your Canva. In Canva, go to videos. In the videos, just select the video. Now, searching for the video, you'll be able to create a new video according to you. Just select the template according to you. After selecting the template, just click on the file and import files. Now you just have to select the video. After the file is imported, what you have to do is you just have to go to this or click on this element section. Now clicking on this element section will bring up all the elements. Just search for blur. Now as you can see, these are all like premium versions. If you have Canva Premium, you'll be able to add it easily. Just select the element, just select the blur you want to add, and there you go, you'll be able to add it. You will be able to adjust it if you want to put it down, upwards. You'll be able to set the duration as well. So that's how you'll be able to do it. If you want to see the timing, just right click on it and check on show timing. Now you'll be able to adjust it according to you. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.